Hi, today I have one thing to talk about, and it could be something that you might, think, well, yeah, I did say on several occasions that the future is not ours to see, okay? But many times we, for example, some scientists might predict, say, one possibility, and the chance is that, say, in 50 years, I suppose in 50 years, suppose, all right, suppose in 50 years, because to be honest, I don't have enough time to read all the scientific reports and research articles. Yeah, in 50 years there will be a big meteor hitting, yeah, onto the earth, it hitting the earth, and then that would be the spell. Yeah, what is that, the end, yeah, that would spell the end of the earth altogether. That is one possibility, but as you know, the future depends on the present. For example, suppose right here right now I decide to just stop talking about this, then this clip would not gonna be finished. Okay, yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, so so each second, as each second goes by, anything can happen anytime. Yeah, you can try. Yeah, for example, right here right now you can decide, okay, I won't do this anymore, I will, yeah, take a shower now. Okay, yeah, you know what I mean? Then your future would change accordingly. Okay, yeah, so far so good. Yeah, about the time dimension. Yeah, about present and future. So this is one possibility. But in the other, suppose we take another route, yeah, towards the future, which is, say, yeah, what all the ideas that I have already produced, which is about, gradual reduction of uh, world population, because, yeah, you know because the world has limited resources, and if we keep increasing the world population only in order to boost the economy, then, yeah, the world population might get into the point that it is just unstable, and people would probably start a war in order to fight for natural resources, in order to fight for resources. Okay, and as I have already said several times ago, yeah, as I have already said several times, sorry, sorry for my bad grammar, but my brain still pierced and fixed. As Mahatma Gandhi, yeah, Mahatma Gandhi said that the whole world resources couldn't fulfill, couldn't satisfy, yeah, just an individual's desire and lust. Yeah, yeah, that is how I can translate, yeah, this idea to you right here right now. Yeah, the exact word, yeah, you can Google. Okay, yeah, but my brain still pierce and fix, and probably this is the time that I think, yeah, I would I would like to offer this concept to you. So the first measure, gradual reduction of world population, and this would mean that we can have a more reasonable share of resources among the people. Okay, as I have already asked you quite long ago, yeah, what do we need to get extra ultra rich for? Only to be a philanthropist, yeah, when we are old? Is so we want to get rich and richer only to be a philanthropist later in our life. Yeah, wouldn't it be better to have that life in moderation and then you kind of enjoy the life all along? Yeah, yeah, if you ask me, okay. Yeah, and some example include, for example, those uh, billionaires like Bill Gates or Warren Buffett. Yeah, they are great. Yeah, philanthropist. Okay, nowadays. Sorry for my pronunciation anyway. Yeah. I am not that yeah. Because now my brain still pierced and fixed. Yeah, so my English is not perfect. Anyway, yeah, just focus on the key message that I have to say, please. Two, yeah, two. Of course, we have grow more plant and tree and plants. Yeah, this would, of course, accelerate the reduction of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, the more we grow, yeah, but of course, this not the same thing as to have our life, our well-being, our safety, our mental health. What is that? Uh, like what is that? Yeah, this is not at the expense of our life, mental health, well-being, and safety. Okay, it is about moderation. Yeah, you start, and if you can start it right here, right now, then start doing it right here, right now. Then it would be quite okay, isn't it? Yeah, there is nothing wrong in having more trees and plants, and some of which, yeah, are edible, yeah, in your area. Yeah, if the resources in your area allow you to do so. Yeah, that would make people want to protect more of the, what is that, protect the environment more, and avoid causing pollution, yeah, in that area. Okay, grow more trees and plants. Three, yeah, have that sustainable, yeah, 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 what is that, economic, yeah, economic, uh what is that, sustainable development, yeah, economic development. Okay, yeah, in a more sustainable way. All right, because for example, in the case of Thailand, we just cannot find more and more land to have the landfill and dump fill for all those garbage, and yeah, and organic waste and inorganic waste. Yeah, we just cannot find more and more area for such a purpose anyway. And as I have already said about the weight of CO2 in the atmosphere, in the atmosphere, that might shift, yeah, the, what is that thing, orbiting, what is that, the, what do you call it, the orbiting route, yeah, of our earth, yeah, in relation to, the what is that, the whole space, yeah, the whole universe. Yeah, sorry, I am not an astrophysicist, but yeah, you know what I mean, because nowadays we have quite a lot of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and because our atmosphere is so huge, so vast, so if we take these three steps, yeah, the circulation and the clouds and the rain will gradually take down the carbon dioxide back onto the earth, yeah, onto the ground. And that is a very, in my opinion, yeah, for my view, an inexpensive way, to deal with global warming. All right, and because that, this is the earth, and right, and this is the earth, and when uh, when the weight, yeah, when the weight of carbon dioxide, yeah, uh, is dragged down onto the surface of the earth, yeah, in the form of rain, yeah, with the rain dragging carbon dioxide every day, yeah, onto the earth's surface, yeah, the orbiting route of the world, yeah, over the span of 50 years might change, probably 100 kilometers. All right, this is just yeah, what is that, a rough example. Okay, yeah, this is the earth. Okay, this is the earth. Yeah, that is the idea that I have tried to tell the world so far. And one probably quite sidetrack yeah, topic, yeah, that I would like to mention in passing is about that interstellar thing. Yeah, suppose there is some scientific suggesting an idea, and I would give a no to this, that say you nuke you nuke somewhere, yeah, say like, okay, suppose say 50 atomic bomb somewhere in the space, somewhere in the space, and that, yeah, and because in the space there is no air there is no air, and that gigantic, what is that, yeah, gigantic blast and bomb, yeah, would create, yeah, uh, a black hole, yeah, that you might call something in similar to interstellar thing, yeah, that gargantua, yeah, which give mild, what is that, mild gravity, and then you can have that, what do you call it, wormhole, right, of time and space, and then you can travel, yeah, far away, only for a fraction of people on earth to survive, and then restart that humanity and civilization elsewhere in another, yeah, on another planet so far away, yeah, in order to avoid this meteor thing. Well, this idea might look so, what is that, scientific and tech savvy what is that word, yeah, so sophisticated, but the thing is, that way you will leave gargantua in the space, which might be, might be dangerous, yeah, to other stars, to other planets, yeah, that would be orbiting into that direction, because it could be circulating and floating and orbiting that way for probably a billion years in the next billion years, yeah, you know what I mean, yeah, it would be quite like you just for uh, a quick passage, yeah, to another planet, and then you would leave it like that, and it would be a very costly way, yeah, to deal with, yeah, to deal with, yeah, the what is that, yeah, the end of humanity, the humankind on earth, yeah, and that way you would leave everyone else behind on earth, isn't it? Because only a fraction of people can get to another planet, yeah, to restart, to yeah, to have a fresh start of the humankind there, and then the rest of us yeah, would be left behind only to die, yeah, in that, yeah, probably weather, what is that, weather, climate disasters, blah blah blah, yeah, and that might be something that has happened elsewhere on other planets, that we can see super tornado, super storm every day, yeah, eternally like that, yeah, you know what I mean. So suppose these are only two but of course not. Yeah, only two possibilities that might happen in the future. So I would love that you would explore with some mathematical model, or some proper scientific modeling, and then let's see whether what I have said is possible or not. Two possibilities that might happen in the future, so it depends on what you would decide to do right here right now, right? After all, right here, right now, I will have to, do something else in my house. Yeah, you know what I mean? That's normal. We can change the future only at the present time. And of course, a basic question that someone already asked me is, well, what if this these for at least four strategies just doesn't work? For strategies just don't work? Well, you know, in my opinion, it would be quite like an athlete that doesn't want, who doesn't want to have any training at all, and then I couldn't win anyway. I couldn't win anyway, and then no practice, no training altogether, and then that would be a real future for that athlete, never to win any competition, any running marathon. Yeah, but if we do our best right here, right now, who knows? Yeah, the future of that athlete. Yeah, that ambition thing. Yeah, is a factor that is important, isn't it? And then that athlete might, who knows, get at least, yeah, a bronze. Yeah, right, because the future depends on the present. So if we try our best right here, right now, who knows what our future would become. Thank you. Hope this clip would be useful to many of you, and sorry if this is very long, and sorry for my bad grammar and what is that? Yeah, and vocabulary and pronunciation, because Japanese network, yeah, have asked so many people to piece and fix and add, yeah, to my brain. Yeah, this is the best I can do right here, right now.